Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Shopify Inbox. This powerful, free tool is designed to enhance customer communication and drive sales on your online store. It consolidates messages from various channels, including live chat, email, and social media, into one convenient interface. This makes customer interactions seamless and efficient, ultimately helping you build stronger relationships and increase conversions. The first crucial step is installing the Shopify Inbox app. You can easily find and install it directly from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, navigate to your Shopify admin panel and select the Inbox icon. Finally, ensure the chat widget is visible on your online store by enabling its visibility within your theme editor. This prepares your store for immediate customer interaction. Now, let's personalize your chat experience. You can customize the chat widget's appearance, choosing colors and icons that perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. Set up a friendly welcome message to automatically greet customers when they initiate a chat. Additionally, create instant answers for your most frequently asked questions, providing immediate and consistent support to your shoppers around the clock. With Inbox fully set up, you can efficiently manage all customer conversations from your Shopify admin or the convenient mobile app. Leverage automated replies for quick support on common inquiries and to assist customers even when you are offline. Utilize features like product recommendations and personalized discount codes directly within the chat to turn conversations into sales, enhancing customer loyalty and boosting your store's revenue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.